Welcome everybody in Dying Light the Beast game, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off the motion sickness reduction in this game, so stay with me and watch the full video. As the first step, like always, open the settings by using the O button on your keyboard or move your mouse over here and open options. Now move to the accessibility settings, and as the first option you can see motion sickness reduction. You can switch it off or on, depends of your preferences. When this value is set to on, it affects the settings like head bob reduction in game options and the motion blur effect in video options, so make sure that you switch this option to any to off or on, depends how you like to play this game. I think you should switch it on. This is a good option to have because if you likely have a motion sickness, then you should switch it on. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye.